Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and a marathon coach up here at Hearthside Grove. It is like July 8th, I think. Not even sure.
I think it's the 10th.
The 10th, maybe. Yeah. We lose track, sorry. But the good thing is a week from today, we're having a great party here at Hearthside Grove.
Yes.
So if you're in the area or you can make it up here, we'd love to see you, 4 to 7. Got a Motown band coming from Detroit. Got some great food and some drinks and
great people.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have some giveaways too.
People.
We were told by the people out west that they're bringing some stuff to give away. So super excited about that too. So, but the other thing we're excited about is 1340, which is the coach that you see behind us. Now we're gonna do this in 2 parts too because
there's too much to show.
There's too much to show because once again, kudos to the people out west, the designers, the painters. They have really stepped up their game they always did amazing things, but I'm telling you, we're going to show you the interior today.
Yeah, I think so.
And then tomorrow morning we'll maybe tape the exterior because when the morning sun is hitting this coach, it just comes alive. Whoa. Yeah, it's super cool. So, but we literally pulled it in, or the drivers pulled it in yesterday, and we drew a crowd. I mean,
it was a mob.
It was a mob when it came in. So
you can see the clouds reflecting in the paint right now.
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
behind
exactly.
us.
So that's pretty cool. So yeah, super excited to show you this. Like I said, it's been great up here so far. Had a great July and looking forward to meeting more of you. But let's take a look at 1340.
All right, y'all. I'm in the coach. Randy is too. You just can't see him. But this is the inside. And it is quite something. The black and white theme carries on throughout most of the coach with the black leather sofa, the 2 black leather chairs, and there's Mr. Randy.
Hey.
Just getting started here, yeah. What's your favorite? Do you like the black leather?
You know, I think what I love the best, there are 2 things that stand out to me. I love the material they used up here, the lines. Something else I haven't seen.
Oh, the fabric?
The fabric here. I love this fabric.
Yeah.
And if you can get a shot of this fabric on the ceiling too, it's got like a sparkle to it.
You're into the sparkles today.
Into the sparkle, but the ceiling is really cool. And I don't know if you can catch it if I turn it on. I think there's some.
Oh, sure.
I think they light up.
Little pizzazz going on there.
Going on, so.
And your choice also, on or off. It's, whatever you choose.
Yeah, and I think with this one, some of them it can be a little overwhelming. This one isn't bad. It's a little more.
It's subtle.
I think the other thing, I love the design they did on the couch.
Yeah, let's take a closer look. You can see there's a pattern there. So there's textured fabric and then also the smooth leather.
Yep. And then I also love just kind of I don't know what you would call it, but the black, but just the streaks of gray.
It's like a grain through there.
Yeah, that looks really cool too. So
they stepped it up on this one. It's a little bit out of the norm for them.
Yep, it is.
So let's continue on here a minute.
All right, another thing you don't see very often in the double slides anyways is the appliance center. So got the steam oven, the cappuccino, the wine rack. You got a nice fridge. I love the handles, the big firm handles in the fridge. Pantry, good size.
A lot of pantry space.
A lot of pantry. If we walk through this way, you got your half bath here, and then the shower is just.
Just pause a minute on the shower because I had been through this coach only once. I didn't notice how cool the tile was. That's
really cool. And the tile in the shower is really cool. It's got some of that sparkle going.
All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. This is a fun coach.
It really is.
The other thing I love, I'm into black and white. I love the black and white photos even. Just that little touch. All right, I'm gonna back this up.
Once again, I really love the big old chrome handles.
Yeah,
here.
They mean business, those handles.
They really tied that in nicely in this bathroom.
Yeah.
And really cool laundry chutes here.
Hey, what's I didn't open the cabinet behind you. There's a handle over here in the bedroom. See it?
Oh yeah, I think that's one of those.
Oh, wowza.
Look at that. That is very deep. I know, it's surprisingly deep. Surprisingly deep. I mean, you know how many shoes you can put in there?
Oh yeah.
Not saying you have a lot of shoes.
I know.
But look at how that if that handle wasn't there, you wouldn't even know that was
there. So we're gonna explore this bathroom. This is a very unique bathroom. It has your little touch of sparkle. And and the accessories. And then also this back wall is a metallic silver with a sheen to it. You can see that there. This is really a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. And remember, you see the accents of red, which you normally do with blacks and whites, but you can accent this in any color you choose. Oh, we're gonna go back up to the front.
Getting the money shot.
Yes. So here we are. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we hope you've enjoyed this little journey through Coach 1340. We sure have.
Yeah, and it's so exciting to get pieces like this to come in here and see the reaction of all the people here at our site drove. So it's been a lot of fun, and we've only had it for a day, so hopefully it doesn't last long. So, but if you have any questions about this coach 1340 or any other of the coach, feel free to reach out to Don or I or any of the other sales associates at Marathon Coach. And like we said, if you can come join us this Saturday, the 17th of July, we'd love to see you, love to meet you.
Definitely.
And have a good time.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Keep watching Randy Don and Marathon Coach.